How to reset Samsung PIN when locked out. First, let's try the way without data loss. Essentially, if you previously added a Samsung account to your device and a Find My Mobile enabled, you might be able to reset the PIN through SmartThings Find website. Tap Lost Mode. Then you can enter your new PIN and tap Lock. Enter your Samsung account password to confirm your identity and tap OK. Now you can use your new PIN to exit Lost Mode. If the official PIN reset isn't available, you can try using the SmartThings Find website. Alternatively, if your device had Google services active, you could use Google Find Hub. The key here is that both platforms allow you to sign in from a computer or another phone and, provided your device is online, issue a remote command to erase all data and perform a factory reset. This will completely wipe your phone, including the lock screen, but also all your personal information. If you forgot account passcode, a specialized tool like MagFone Android Unlocker becomes a viable solution. The screen lock removal feature is designed to wipe out pins, patterns, fingerprints, or face recognition instantly. Once you open the tool, it walks you through powering the device down by holding power and volume down. Then bringing it into recovery by holding power and volume up until the Samsung logo appears. When the recovery screen loads, you simply navigate with the volume keys to wipe data or factory reset and confirm with the power button. Clear the cache with Wipe Cache Partition. Follow it by selecting Yes. And finish the process with Reboot System Now, allowing the device to restart without PIN.